Hi, I'm Mariah, and I'm going to show you how to make a neat little attachment for your handbag. I like to go around to thrift stores or even garage sales to see what odd, interesting pieces I can find to work into new jewelry. So besides the charms, you're also going to need either a lobster claw or an oversized safety pin. Some jump rings to connect your pieces, and pliers will be very handy. First, I'm going to take some of my chains and I'm going to apply my charms using the jump ring. Use the pliers to work your jump ring open so that you can take your charm and you can apply it to your chain. Then once you've got your jump ring closed back up and secure, kind of crimp it so that it'll stay closed. Now I'm taking a second ring and I'm going to use this ring to go through my other ring and connect it to the chain. I like using a second ring to give it some room to move. I'm going to repeat the same steps for this charm. Just use your jump ring and work it onto your charm. Now I'm going to use my oversized safety pin, and I'm going to pick about right here. Now that I've finished making my charm pin, you can attach it to anything, but I'm going to put it onto a handbag I've got. With using the oversized safety pin, you can apply it really anywhere on the bag you want. I like using the ring connectors for the straps because you don't damage the material of the bag then. Just put it through the hook and close it. Now you've got a cute little accessory to really make it your own. I'm Mariah. Thanks for watching.